No way, bro. Just know it's only Marangbaah going to win the lady heart. The only thing about him is so funny, huh? Okay, hello Khasi people, Megalian, Kumno Pilong Paralog. This is the African boy Gabs Gabi, and I just want to say I'm back to my place because recently I was in Meghalaya and I really enjoyed my trip, guys. I really love everything about the place, about the people, and I just I vlog everything. I document everything, guys. I don't need to tell you in this video. What I can say only, just make sure to keep staying tuned so that I'll be posting all the vlogs in this channel. Meanwhile, I'll be doing reaction video because I'm seeing a lot of new Khasi song coming up, guys. And at the same time also, guys, I'll be reacting to Khraw song because I found new friends from Khraw also, and it was so sad that I found out that also I don't used to react to their song. So I'll be reacting to Khraw song, Khasi song, or Meghalaya song in general, guys, plus my vlog that I did all recently in Meghalaya. Make sure to check it and share, guys. Love you all. Naiya P. Today we are reacting to Kongdeng Bana Opera. Yeah, you know it, right? No, not Opera. Okay, we are not reacting to Opera, but the song name is Kongdeng. Kongdeng, starring Marangbaah. You know Marangbaah, one of the best actor, and I also made him. You can see out of my vlogs, I made Marangbaah, all those guys in Cherry Blossom, guys. So Marangbaah is there and Morning. So it's my first time reacting to this channel. Anyway, as long as Marangbaah is featured there, I know I'm going to watch something amazing. It's worth watching. I'm not gonna waste my time for sure. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, guys. Subscribe and share my vlog. I am really requesting you guys to share with other family and friends because I want to hit 100K, guys. We are only left with 10K subscribers only, so that we'll celebrate the amazing journey together. Thank you. Kublai Shibon. Let's go. Kongdeng is starring Marangbaah, Morning ETY. ET. We have one new lady, new face here. It's my first time seeing. It's my first time also seeing that boy. What is his name? I know Marangbaah only, but that lady I don't know. Kongdeng. Jongpi. You have to come with me and me. Jinget Jonga. Hey. Both of them are falling for this girl. No way, Marangbaah has to win that girl only. No way, bro. Just know it's only Marangbaah going to win the lady heart. The only thing about him is so funny, huh? He also followed the lady until her home. What do you want, guys? Now go back to reality, bro. Go back to your work. No, now they are full of gaming. Oh, now it's a restaurant. Like Jankirsha, you way you look so beautiful. Oh my God, I don't know how to explain. Why are you so close to me? You have to look on my eyes. Okay, listen to this one. get it? You get it? Okay. So all of them, they are crashing. Hey, Marangbah is finally dancing. Leave him, let him dance alone. We are not dancers, bro. Okay, yeah, you're doing good, bro. Again, they found her. Shahela we jonga jongpi. Jonga jongpi. Menta yanga. Oh. She just left like that. Without any reply. Oh my gosh. She's so mean. She's so mean. Just leave her, man. Just leave her, leave her. Let's go. Let's go. Labiang, brothers. Sorry, I'm so sorry, brothers. See, I'm a little confused here because, you know, no English subtitle, but I can understand a little bit of Khasi and the action also, guys. Like those two guys, nah? I feel like, are they crashing all for one lady or what is it, bro? All of you are falling for one lady. Then how is it gonna happen? That is so like Kongdeng. Okay, they said Kongdeng. That word Kongdeng, they say it for a big lady, right? It's not like for small ladies. So that's why she's also her mind, like she's so hard to get because she's Kongdeng. You get it? But I just love like this guy. He's just like purely professional. He's so talented. I mean, so talented. Marangbah, guys. You see the way whenever he's acting, the way he showed his face, the way he act, like he's really a very good comedian. It's not my first time to watch him, and all the time, like I'll just feel good, and I know watching him is worth watching, guys. It's very good, and I love most of his acting in every music. He always do good, guys. So that is it, guys. Amazing. You can tell me about the other guy. It's my first time also watching him, guys. But anyway, overall, the music, I love the beat. The music beat is so amazing, guys. And the acting is so good. Love from Africa, guys. Till next time, love you all. Kublai Shibon.